You need to 100% do it. Our favourite slogan where you need to do things for yourself. We weren't happy in this course, we needed to make a change, otherwise we'd have just gone through the motions at the old uni and never been happy.
We started the course for Manceinion Ciropracteg in January, and me and Matt both met there.
We were kind of inseparable, we were best friends. You couldn't take us away from each other.
The course wasn't working, but we both thought, this isn't what we want. We want to be able to experience university like any other student. So we decided to start looking at other universities, and when South Wales came up, it had everything that we wanted.
We decided we wanted to go and do it together. So it was about June time that we applied through clearing. We were scared because we'd known each other since January and we were moving in together in September. But it's been amazing for us. We've moved in together and just having that person there to turn to.
We both kind of understand that if one's stressed, you know how it feels, and you can support them through it.
Clearing is the easiest process that we've had to do coming through uni. They were really good, really quick. They were amazing.
Near enough a year ago, I was applying through clearing, and now I'm here and I've nearly finished my first year and I've passed all my exams so far. It's gone really quick and it's been a really good year.
I think you need to just go with an open mind and realise that it's not as scary as you think it is.